Hello, my name is Michelle McDowell. I'm a physical therapist and a certified lymphedema therapist. I would like to show you some exercises that will help with your range of motion after surgery for breast cancer, such as a mastectomy or lumpectomy, and also to prepare you for the positioning needed for radiation treatments. I'm going to show you another exercise that's going to help stretch your chest or pectoral muscles. Most of us are pretty tight here to begin with because most of our jobs, we're only doing things in front of us rather than really getting some extension and stretching. So I'm going to show an exercise to help stretch that area. You would do this on your bed. You're going to bend up your knees again, and it's really going to matter how close you are to the edge of your bed. So usually I would recommend actually being not as close. So I'm going to have you scoot towards me. I'm actually going to move your pillow here too. Okay. And you can kind of keep track of where your arm is as you improve on this. You could scoot closer to the edge, which is going to give you more of a stretch because gravity is going to be stretching that arm more. So on her, and I suggest actually doing this on both sides, but a couple sets on your involved side and only one set on your uninvolved side. So I'm going to have her put her arm out to the side. You want your palm up. Now, you might feel a stretch with doing this already, or you might not, if you're not able to touch your bed because you're too tight, you could put a towel roll under your arm to give you a little bit more support there. And then as you get better, you can remove that towel. We're also going to add an additional movement here that's going to increase that stretch. So I'm going to have you rotate your legs towards me and turn your head towards me. And as you do that, you can take a deep breath in and then breathe out. And as you breathe out, you're going to feel more of a stretch there on you should feel it in your chest area and under your armpit some too. And I suggest holding this at least 30 seconds. And then after that 30-second time period, you can bring your legs and your head back. I'm going to remove the towel to show a little bit more of a stretch. So besides straight out to the side, you can also lift up a little higher, which is going to get different fibers of your pectoral muscle. So I'm going to have you go ahead and turn your head and your legs opposite direction. And this, you're going to usually feel more of a stretch. So after you do this stretch with your arm straight out to the side, you can raise it up a little higher, but you can rotate again your head and your legs opposite directions. Going to give you more of a stretch. And you can also add that deep breath in and breathe out. And as you relax, try to get more of that stretch. You want to hold this at least 30 seconds. And then after that 30 seconds, you can bring your legs and head back. You could even go a little bit higher. So usually I do about 3 positions. Again, that might be something that you need to work up to because it is a pretty good stretch. Again, you don't want any sharp stabbing pain, but it's okay to have a stretch discomfort. You'll actually typically feel better after doing this. And then if you were to do the other side, same thing. You'd scoot in closer to the inside of your bed so your arm is not off as much. So as she gets better, I could have her scoot over a little closer to the edge of the bed for more of a stretch. Again, something you can do at home. You can adjust that to what's comfortable for you.